Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I want to do a general product overview for you guys on the Rizzoli. This is the new ML Diva. Now personally I love this model. It's definitely more traditional than some of the other Rizzoli styles. Personally, what I love is the gold. They finally brought back the gold accents. So gold railing, you can do the gold handle on the front, gold oven handles as well. The Diva model is going to have the rivets. So you get rivets on the corners, around the frame of the stove, and on the doors. So these rivets are kind of similar to what is shown on the Rizzoli on the L series. This particular model is going to be available with the 3 cooktop options. This one has the 3-piece removable rings. You can do the solid piece removable rings and a ceramic glass cooktop. Now the solid piece cooktop and the removable ring cooktop are available with a left or a right hand top or rear vent flue. Again, the ceramic glass cooktop is only available as a rear vent option. You do have the nice big firebox with the cast iron grate, fire brick panels, fully gasketed all the way around. Ash pan located directly below the firebox. So this is a decent sized ash pan. So again, these Rizzoli stacked models are available in such a wide variety of colors that honestly, there's just not really anything else like it on the market. So if you like these stacked style stoves because you're tight on space, maybe you just like the looks of them, pretty much guaranteed you can find any type of color option, color choices, color pattern that you're looking for, whether you have a traditional or a contemporary home. So this is the Pellet Box by Rizzoli. This is pretty cool because this is going to be, this is a wood cook stove, but you can actually put this pellet box in here and have the ability to burn pellets in your pellet box, or you can remove it and burn solid fuel. So I hope that you guys find this product overview helpful. If you do, please don't forget, give our videos a thumbs up, share them with your friends, click subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.